Arthritis, tips for keeping the pain at bay. When it comes to managing your arthritis and its symptoms, few things are as effective as a thorough understanding of the condition and how you can improve it. This handpicked selection of tips and tricks can provide the perfect starting point for anyone who wants to learn more about this painful condition. Try keeping a journal or diary as you suffer from the symptoms of arthritis. A diary or journal can help you better understand what sets your arthritis flare-ups in motion. Keeping a diary also lets you see what's helping relieve your arthritis. Tell your doctor about your findings so that he is better prepared to provide you accurate treatment. You will find a diary is very useful. Plan activities with your joints' capacities and limits in mind. Arthritis makes even the smallest tasks hard to accomplish. You could always slide items across the counter or on the floor instead of lifting them, or you could always ask people for help. If you can avoid inflaming your joints, you will experience less pain and your joints will stay flexible. If you are suffering from arthritis and you drive, you are eligible to park in handicapped spaces. A lot of arthritis sufferers are not aware of this and continue to park in normal parking spots. This is not always the best for those in constant pain. Find a doctor who is supportive of you starting a family with rheumatoid arthritis. Some rheumatologists are not comfortable providing advice or support for a woman having a child with this condition, but don't be discouraged. There are doctors out there who are knowledgeable about the challenges you will face. Take the time to have your family educated about your rheumatoid arthritis and the different challenges that will occur while you live with this condition. There are classes available through the Arthritis Foundation, and there are many books available that can be used to teach your family about the condition. Focus on strength training. People who suffer from arthritis have been shown to increase their flexibility and overall health from performing strength exercises as little as twice a week. Stick with moderate or lighter exercises to get the maximum benefits without causing any undue stress on your joints, which may cause inflammation. Learn what arthritis symptoms are most common and be on the lookout for them. To prevent the onset of arthritis, you should have an understanding of what to look for, this way you can deal with the problem early on. Ask your doctor about any feelings you have about your health to find out if arthritis really is the disease you face and how to treat it effectively. Learn as much as you can about your condition if you have arthritis. The old adage that knowledge is power is especially true in this case. The more you learn about your form of arthritis and its treatments, the better chance you have of living a full and active life in spite of your condition. Whether you are struggling with the pain of arthritis or know someone else who is, the advice in this video is invaluable. Follow these tips and learn how to live with arthritis without allowing the pain to control you and keep you from doing the things that you love and enjoy. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.